campers. It's Saturday morning and I know some of you are really tired and didn't sleep well last night. So here are some tips to make sure you stay awake. If you see someone having a hard time staying awake, slap someone.
Yeah, just slap them.
It works.
Excuse me?
Yeah. Oh, what was that for?
Oh, I thought you were asleep.
But I was standing up.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh. 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 Oh.
Excuse me?
Yeah. Oh.
Excuse me?
Yeah. Oh. What was that for?
Oh, I thought you were asleep.
But I was standing up.
Oh.
Another way to make sure you stay up at Discovery is to tape your eyelids open. Example.
I'm not asleep. I'm awake. I'm awake. See, I'm awake. I'm not asleep.
Perfectly natural. Another way to stay awake at Discovery Weekend is to chug caffeine. Now I know they're going to try to limit your caffeine, but sneak it anyway. I mean, you don't want to miss anything. Where'd you get that?
My pocket.
She's not going to miss anything.